Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's session of online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Students, we are going to start our first class of business study today. Let me introduce you your textbook first. You have two textbooks for your business study subject. Today we are going to discuss from your first textbook. The first chapter which we are discussing today is Nature and Significance of Management. So let us know more about management from your first chapter. Do you know, students, successful organizations do not achieve their goals by chance, but by following a deliberate process called management. Are you interested to know more about management? So let us see the definition of management. Here is the definition of management. Management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. Let us understand this definition thoroughly. Students, here is the definition of management. Management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. So here what we have to understand is management is a process. So we got that management is a process. What is process? Process is a series of steps which we follow, okay, so that we can accomplish some aim. So it is a step-by-step process. Management is a process, that means management follow some steps to accomplish some aim. So management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment. It designs and it maintains the environment in which individuals, this is the environment in which individuals, they are working together in a group, okay, together in a group efficiently accomplishes selected aims. So they are efficiently performing some tasks so that they can achieve certain aims. So this is the definition of management. It is a very important point. You have to learn it thoroughly. We can also say that management is the process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. From these statements, we can analyze the definition. So students, to know management well, we are going to define some terms elaborately. We already saw through the following previous statement that management is a process which aims at achieving certain goals, that too effectively and efficiently. So we can elaborate that three terms in the following way, that is process, effectively and efficiently. What is process? Process is the primary functions or activities that management perform to get things done. So there are some series of steps which we follow to perform the given task. The functions which are performed under the process of management is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So these are the 5 functions which are stated in the form of process, which is done by the management to achieve their goals. Next we have to elaborate the term effectively. Do you know what is effectively or doing the work effectively? Effectively in management is concerned with doing the right task, completing the activity and achieving the goals. So in management we can say that effectiveness means we are performing the right task, completing the activity and achieving the goal. The third term which we have to understand here is efficiency. Efficiency means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. So students, we saw the three main points related to management. That is process, effectiveness and efficiency. To achieve an aim of the management, these three terms should come together. That is process, effectiveness and efficiency. Without efficiency, if the work is completed, that is that while performing some task, there was effectiveness, but efficiency was not there. So we will say that management is not a proper one. The same way, if efficiency is there and effectiveness is not there, still we will say that management is not a proper one. From all of this, we can understand that management is a very important concept from an organization point of view. Whether it is a small firm or a big firm or a private enterprises or a government enterprises, even in a petrol pump, if the things are not managed properly, there will be confusion and there will be too rush. You may have noticed that we always say that the services provided in some hotel varies from that of the other. Why that? Because of the concept management. How they manage the people, how they manage the customers, depend on that the management or the functioning of that organization goes. So from this we can understand that how much importance we give to management. So students, now it is time to wind up today's session. In today's class we discussed what is management. We saw the definition of management. We also saw three important terms related to management. They are process, effectiveness and efficiency. We elaborately explain these three concepts. Now you have to read the textbook, page number 2, 3, 4 and some part of 5. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.